I am Ayush Khairnar, studying in BLVS School, Standard 8. I want your attention for my project for the competition We the Thinkers, introduced by Bajaj Science Center, Vadha. The title of my project is Benefiting Human Society by the Effect of Greenhouse Gases in the Environment. So basically, what are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases are the gases which acts as a layer and covers the infrared radiation and do not allow it to move, which results in a heating of Earth's surface, atmosphere, and causes a condition named global warming. I have selected this topic because emission of CO2 gas in the environment is the highest in amount and is the major cause of global warming. Example of greenhouse gases are CO2, nitrous oxide, methane and other fluorinated gases. The highest percentage of CO2 in the environment is 65% in the environment as a greenhouse gas, followed by methane 16%, followed by nitrous oxide 6% and other fluorinated gases 2%. Humans also play a big role in the emission of CO2 by the automobiles, biomass, industries, cooking and other. These are the different ways by which CO2 is emitted. Electricity, agriculture and industrial primary contributors of CO2 emission, which you can check in the pie chart. So let's know about the effect of CO2 in the environment. Carbon dioxide is a naturally occurring greenhouse gas and increase in amount of carbon dioxide creates overburdens of CO2 and other greenhouse gases that traps the additional heat. This trapped heat leads to melting of ice caps and rising ocean levels, which causes flooding and China was the biggest emitter of carbon dioxide, with a share of almost 30% of world's total CO2 emission. That year, and the second biggest emitter, the United States, USA, and the third is our country India with 7.2% of atmospheric CO2. Let's have a look in the Indian cities wise the emission of CO2. In India, the highest CO2 is emitted by New Delhi, followed by Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. So how can we stop this? A much amount of CO2 is produced, a much amount of heat is produced. How can we stop this? Some methods to stop this are: we can purchase green electricity. We can make our home, household and energy efficient. Buy energy and water efficient appliances. Walk, cycle or take public transport. We can use solar powered vehicles. We can also use windmills and solar panels. Try to maximize use of solar powered appliances on a contrary of fossil fuel. Though we are going through this corona pandemic situation, it has also influenced in a positive way. In India, emission have dropped for first 4 times in over 40 years. The fall in the emission is a result of economic slowdown and growth in renewable energy sector, which is also a very good news for our country and the environment. Coal and oil consumption has also flatlined. Many have called the post-COVID-19 green recovery. with the environmentally friendly initiatives at the heart of any stimulus package. Thank you very much. My special and sincere thanks to Dr. Lakhotia sir and my teachers of Bajaj Science Center. Also I thank to my mentor Mr. Ashish Chauhan sir for their valuable guidance, my parents and my teachers for helping me out in this project and supporting me throughout. Please help us to make the reform that can reduce CO2 in our environment. We and you all can make a change. Thanks to all the viewers for watching and listening my video patiently. Please, I request to put your valuable comments, any suggestion on the topic, and if you like, appreciate it. Thank you. You all take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.
I think perfect.